Welcome to Widget and Nut Manufacturing. Meet Maureen from marketing. She's happy selling the same old stuff to a dwindling number of customers. Dev is the operations manager. He's content to wait for things to break before he takes action. Anne from IT doesn't know what technology to implement to help the business become more competitive, so she sticks with her current system. That's easier than a step into the unknown, isn't it? Phil, the CEO, thinks this agility business is nonsense. Reports should come once a quarter and no sooner. Wait, you know this is a joke, right? Widget and Nut are leading the market thanks to Capgemini with SAP's Fast Digital for Discrete Industries. What's this? It started when the team attended a digital day with us here at Capgemini and SAP to learn how smart, connected products, plants, assets and operations can offer productivity gains, increase quality, cost savings and improve revenues. We showed them innovations they could bring to their organisation, such as 3D printing, Internet of Things and augmented reality. Each member of the team could explore hundreds of digital use cases relevant to their role and sector. They began experimenting with 40 proofs of concepts, which left them with executable ideas to bring digital into Widget and Nut. Our flexible templates, based on industry best practice, have proven to offer repeatable, successful solutions. We can also completely customise our approach based on geographies, sector, and how cutting edge you want to become. Widget and Nut rapidly scaled up and started seeing the benefits in 8 weeks. Yes, just 8 weeks. Maureen has gained customer centricity through SAP Hybris and now targets relevant and personalised messages to her happy and very loyal customers who are spreading the word about Widget and Nut. Dev is using the Internet of Things to predict machine fails, reducing his downtime by more than he could have imagined. Anne has embraced S/4HANA and can spin off capabilities based on business needs in the twinkle of an eye. And Phil? Well, he's presenting the team's great results to the Widget and Nut board in real time, and they're using the knowledge to make good decisions about the direction of the business. Join us for a digital day and let Capgemini and SAP show you how your company can implement digital like Widget and Nut.